A better than chili taco soup in just 30 minutes? Let's see how. Most taco soups are flat. Watch what happens when you char the corn and bloom the spices. It's a game changer. The moment the soup simmers and all the flavors melt together is when you realize how easy and delicious this homemade soup can be. Choose any toppings. My lighter go-to is low-fat sour cream mixed with salsa, plus a little cheese, cilantro, and diced avocado. Or you can go a little heavier with a yogurt crema, which I have the full recipe in the description below. If you're into cozy meals that don't taste like diet food, you're in the right place. And if you love more Mexican inspired dishes, check out my videos on screen. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your time. Hope to see you next time as we dive into another easy one-pan Mediterranean soup. Until then, stay healthy and take care. Thank you.